ChatGPT 5 just dropped in August 2025, and it's packed with next-level features you need to see. From talking like a human to building apps without code, let's break it down in under 90 seconds. Smart personas. You can now chat with characters like a cynic, a motivational coach, or even a listener. Each one responds differently based on its personality. Vibe coding. Next, vibe coding. Just describe the vibe of what you want, and GPT-5 writes code that fits. No coding skills needed. Smarter reasoning. GPT-5 also got a major brain boost. It now reasons better using step-by-step logic. Just say, "Let's think step by step," and watch it solve complex problems more accurately. Safety and truthful answers. GPT-5 is safer too. If it doesn't know something, it says so. No more made-up facts or sweet-talking, just honest replies. That's GPT-5 in action. Personality, coding, smarter answers, and safer chats. What should I test next? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for part 2.